Pinoy sa Landmark Grand Hotel sa Angliga Road, tapat ng Algoner Center. For bookings, tawag lang sa 04250-1111. Ano, tara na pamiesta sa Fiestang Pinoy!
Move to Dubai Investments Park, strategically located on Emirates Road, next to Jebel Ali Port and Al Maktoum Airport, with easy access from any Emirate, world-class infrastructure, fully ready industrial and commercial facilities, 24-hour electric and water supply, and with facilities ready to move in. Make your move. Call 800 DI Park, that is 800 347 275 today.
If you want to help crown the king or queen of green, then you'd better be quick. Thursday is deadline day for all nominations for the Dubai Chamber Ecopreneur Award, and we want to hear from you. To nominate, go to DubaiI1038.com, where you can download an application form, fill it in, and send it back to us to stand a chance of winning a year's free advertising on Dubai I 103.8.
What does every successful senior executive have in common? They are all multipliers. Research conducted with 150 business leaders across 4 continents reveals multipliers get 2 times more intelligence from their team members, essentially doubling their workforce for free. What could you achieve if you got twice as much out of your existing team members? Multipliers is a leadership training program brought to you exclusively by Bizability in the UAE. Google Multipliers UAE if you are ready for the challenge.
Temperature check, please, Tom B.
Still over 40, unfortunately, Tom U.
It's got to be under 40 now, Tom B.
Not quite. Still over 40, Tom U.
Tom B, come on, it's got to be in the 30s now.
Tom U, it is 39. We're good to go.
Now that the summer heat is fading, the grill returns to Barasti this Saturday. Expect more huge live guests.
Live from the grill, Darren Goff, the one and only, Sean Pollock.
Expect more huge sporting moments.
Off it sets, right to left and straight in the centre of the cup. Arms in the air from Luke Donald. Chants of Luke from all around the grandstand.
And expect a load more laughs, prizes, and all the sport you need on Saturday afternoons. The Grill, back at Barasti, where the game is always on. This Saturday at 5 p.m. Filipino Rhythm, brought to you by Al-Ansari Exchange. Close to you in Carrefour Market in Umalquain. Al-Ansari Exchange, your first choice.
Kayo po yung nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Yung August 30 po, nagkaroon ng breakfast for a cause yung PhilCom, yung task force sa Bagat, at nakapag-raise sila ng 18,000 sa mga flood victims. Tapos last week naman, nagkaroon ulit ng another breakfast for a cause. Ito naman yung recipient naman is isang victim ng antibiotic na yung 90% yung body na burn. Parang 1 in a million yung case nito eh. So, tatawagan natin ngayon si yung nag-organize nito, yung Paragon, si Abet Alba, kung kumusta nangyari, then baka pwede pa sila manawagan to support ang ating kababayan si Lynn na nag-suffer nga 90% na burn sa body. Nandiyan naman si Abet? Tatawagan pa siya. Okay, nasa linya ngayon si Abet Alba. Abet? Kumusta yung breakfast for Lynn last Friday?
Well, unang-una, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Okay, good evening.
Actually, it went beyond our expectations. We didn't really expect na more than 100 people would actually come.
Okay.
And in fact, to be exact, 111.
Mm-hmm.
And aside from that, meron actually more than 111 yung dumating kasi may mga dumating na nagbigay lang ng kanilang donation.
So di na nag-breakfast? Nag-drop lang?
Hindi nag-breakfast, talaga nag-drop by lang para lang maihatid yung kanilang tulong para kay Lynn.
Oo.
So, yun, napakaganda ng response and well, we're actually thinking of baka holding it again.
Mm-hmm.
Pero yun nga, depende. Kasi alam naman natin na yung pangangailangan ni Lynn ay tuloy-tuloy.
Magkano amount ng raise ninyo?
Ang total amount na na-raise namin, including donations, is around 6,350.
Okay, good.
Pero apart from that, yung mismong restaurant na nag-hold ng event also gave their donation.
Maraming salamat sa Agimono Restaurant for supporting that drive. Ngayon, kung sino pang gustong tumulong, paano sila makatulong?
Merong actually ongoing na fund drive, pero that is yung ginagawa ni Lisa Kingsley.
Okay.
Yung British National na unang tumugon.
Okay.
Sa pagtulong kay Lynn. Meron siyang Facebook page na tinatawag na Basics UAE.
Basics UAE, okay.
At siguro doon, pag binuksan nila, nandun yung kung paano magpadala.
Pero sa iyo ba, sa grupo mo, pwede rin mag-donate sa Paragon? Or sa iyo mismo?
Well, hindi. Actually, we don't, we're not soliciting outside of
that event,
the event that we organized. Yun. Pero
just in case lang baka mag another one kayo, just in case lang pwede na uli kayo magtanggap.
Yes, and yun nga, we're not soliciting, pero yun nga, syempre we continue to encourage people to assist Lynn in whatever way they can.
Okay. So, yun pala, yun si Abet Alban ng Paragon UAE. Maraming salamat, Bet, at mabuhay ka sa grupo mo sa pagsuporta sa mga nangangailangan, ha?
Salamat sa lahat ninyong tagapakinig.
Kumusta lang dyan kay Malan? Okay. So, balik tayo sa ating mga guests. Kayo, maingay kayo, ha? May in-interview ako. Sige, El, katabi mo si Myra. Anong gusto ni Myra?
Sige, Myra. Ano yung mga challenges na na-encounter mo habang nagtuturo ka? Kasi sila nagkwento kanina. Actually, si Milo, sabi niya off the air kanina, nagturo siya ng
5 subjects.
5 subjects in...
Yeah. In one Friday, I mean, every Friday, may 5 akong subject na tinuturo from 8:30 hanggang 6. So,
kaya mo yun?
Yeah, kinaya ko yun for 10 Fridays.
Wow. How about you? Anong challenges na na-encounter mo para lang maipasa mo yung kaalaman mo sa paggawa ng magandang balloons?
Ang challenge ko po is about lang sa part-time ko as in sa decoration also. Every Friday, hinahabol ko po yung time ko para lang makatulong ko at saka ma-share ko sa mga kababayan natin yung mga yung pag-decorate, yung gumawa ng different kind of balloons at saka yung mga iba't ibang klaseng decors also.
Mahirap ba maghanap ng balloon na gagawing depende kasi, di ba, specifically, pag gumawa ka ng poodle, dapat mas mahaba yung balloon?
Mayroon po kayong mga description na balloons na...
Mamaya may sample nga kay Bluebird
yung
sample. Myra, ito, may text dito. Ask ko lang po kung meron ba kayong school dito sa balloon decoration dito sa Abu Dhabi. May nakikinig sa Abu Dhabi.
Meron pa nga nakikinig from Doha.
Eventually, siguro po magkakaroon din ng... Dati po kasi meron kaming Abu Dhabi na branch.
Okay.
But merong concern with regards to the permit and operation of that. So, yes. So, for the meantime, it was hold there. So, we were hoping na next year baka meron na sana.
Okay.
Magkaroon po.
Alright. So, lahat ito may certificate, di po
meron
ba?
po.
Okay.
Yung balloon, anong certificate? Balloon?
Balloons din po kasi po
balloon na certificate.
Hindi po, certificate din po. Kaya lang
Pero I think it's more than the certificate itself. It's the knowledge and the confidence na marunong ka na mag-Excel, mag-photograph, mag-picture,
tapos
PowerPoint.
Eto, basahin ko lang sa mga nag-text at basahin mo yung mga nag-Facebook. Yung mga translation na lang alam ko, ipapasa ko. Sabi ng isa, whatever knowledge I gain, I will impart to others. Good evening po. Good evening po. Isa naman, share your blessings with 100 folds in return. Sabi ni Albert Soriano. Isa naman, you made inspiration to everyone. regardless what status in life, you able to share the best knowledge. Ang galing.
Message mo yun, Luis, kanina.
Yung isa
diba?
naman, Combo Bill number 3. Bali, kay Bluebird pala to. Isa naman, we reap what we sow. Sabi ni Candy Bandovino.
Ganda naman.
Sa Facebook, marami yata na.
Si Nestor Pagdaganan, happy birthday to you first. At ang sinabi niya, to what I know is the passage of the message.
Tapos ating Feme logo designer
na nag-birthday din, ang sabi niya, I know, therefore I pass it on. Kayong magdidesisyon mamaya kung sino yung pinakamagandang mensahe. Kakaso itong si Eric Fahot na ito, marunong na itong mag-photography eh. Magaling ito eh. So,
Excel yata.
Ano na lang, balloon making.
Eric, balloon making kay ni Min. Fudge cake.
Okay. So, ano pa ang gusto nyong i-share? Kanina si Milo was saying something about, yung sa pagtuturo nyo and how to pass it on to yung mga naging estudyante nyo, ngayon teacher na, di ba?
Yeah, like what happened to me before, no? I was before a student also, and nung sumali na ako doon sa club, nag-self-study ako during that time it was web development. So it started with HTML coding. And then later on dumating na yung mga Flash animation and Adobe Photoshop. So lahat ng yun shinare ko yung nalalaman ko. Kaya nga nagkaroon ako there was a time na yun nga yung 5 subjects.
Oo, sa isang araw, isang Friday.
Yeah, in one Friday. So nag-uumpisa ako sa HTML coding and then Adobe Photoshop for the website and then Flash animation and then after that PC assembly and then networking. So maghapon.
Milo, kung babalikan mo ang buhay mo, would you do the same life? Would you go through the same direction na yung tinahak mo? Bakit?
Of course, yeah. Dahil unang-una, iba yung feeling mo kasi pagka na-share mo yung knowledge mo and then later on, babalik sila sa'yo eh. Alam mo, pagka, madami na yung cases na they send an email to me na nagpapasalamat dun sa mga natutunan nila.
Alright.
It's not only 100 of them, actually, it's more than 1,000 of them.
Of course. Because he's been here and he's been teaching for quite some time.
Yeah, maybe siguro kung bibilangin ko yung mga naging estudyante ko, it's more than 5,000 now. So,
we could believe that. Si Daddy Blue yata estudyante rin, Daddy Blue. Kumikita ka na ba ngayon?
Nakikita na nila ako.
Sige.
Okay. It's very interesting. So I'd like to know also as well, no, Milo, how about you? Kung babalikan yung buhay nyo, will you go through the same road?
Yung una kong trabaho talaga sa Pilipinas pa lang, pagtuturo na. Never akong nag-iba ng linya until dumating ako dito sa Dubai. So, hinahanap ko yung pagtuturo. So, nakita ko ng Digirati kaya tinuloy-tuloy ko yan. And then, I will continue doing what I love doing now, which is teaching.
Alright, how about si Luis?
Luis, ito, sagutin mo na nito. Ano pong number para sa computer classes? Pero close na kayo, di ba? For next year na. Pero anong number lang? Just
pwede nga daw i-assess.
Pwede i-assess po tumabol.
Pwede pa.
Ano number, Luis?
Number natin.
Or website? Kahit ano?
Sa Facebook na lang, hanapin nilang Filipino Digirati Association.
Okay. FDA, okay. So yung tanong natin kanina, kung uulitin ang buhay mo, will you?
For me kasi, I believe that everything happens for a reason. And then, for my life, ang buhay ko is full of up and downs and whatever I have and hindi ko nababaguhin because lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, it makes me a better version of myself and I am happy the way I am and I am happy being able to touch people's lives and I think I will keep on for the rest of my life doing these things.
Myra, bago mag-break, last break, ikaw, babalikan mo ba ang Pilipinas? Buhay mo na. Nabigla tuloy siya.
Okay, so ang tanong, kung sakaling bumalik ka sa buhay na ito ba rin ba ang buhay na gusto mong gawin? Ikaw ba'y magtuturo pa rin ng paggawa ng balloons? Ikaw ba'y magsisilbi pa rin dun sa iyong German employer?
As long po na kaya ko pa na magturo at gusto pa nila ako, asipin pa nila ako, why not, diba?
What do you get from teaching?
Actually po, mga sister ko talaga is mga teacher sila. Ako lang ang hindi teacher. Kaya lang, napunta talaga ako dito sa teacher. So, maybe it's line pa rin po.
Pero actually, alam mo, lahat naman tayo teacher kasi we pass on, like parents are also teachers, they pass on to their knowledge to their children. So, last break po tayo, Blue, combo number 5.
Alright, sa mga nag-SMS, ito na. May winner na tayo.
Meron na.
Pero ako na lang magsalita para lang mag-react. Ang katanungan, what is Max's combo meal na merong pansit canton?